Hell no. You gotta start the
Yo,
video.
what was the last time I recorded a video? What the fuck? That shit was like
A year
6 months ago.
Too long.
That shit
When I
was like...
snapped on them, when I snapped on that white beard, bro.
Last time I was seeing this nigga Tay recorded, he was on that fat nigga head. That shit was funny as hell.
You got 100K with 3,000 likes, boy, you know that you ain't lit. I said, boy, you stupid as dumb. Smoke IBA fat like a thumb. Instrumental ain't talking no jump. All this rest that I do it for fun.
I said, boy, you stupid as dumb. Smoke IBA fat like a thumb. Instrumental ain't talking no jump.
Anyways, damn, Twisted VSC. I ain't make a video in like 8 years, but I don't give a fuck. I'm with Hype Gang, you feel me? Gang, squad, the family.
What's happening?
You know what I'm saying? Y'all wanna introduce yourselves?
She talking about some.
What you know me, Quando Rondo nigga, you know what I'm saying?
Quando Rondo nigga.
Big game.
Yeah, that,
You know the vibe.
Man, you already know who it is, man. It's your boy Breezy guy in this bit, man. Stop playing with me, but look,
big Breezy.
Yeah, you already know what the fuck going on, man. Hey, man, shout out my nigga. Shout out to the Hype Game members who couldn't be here today.
Yeah,
they got
right.
Yo, what the fuck? Niggas who couldn't be here today.
Bro, they got important stuff to do. You feel me? We all grounded. You feel me? It is
real shit. Real shit.
Go ahead. Speak to him, Gino. Stop playing, bro.
Tell him, G. Yo. What's that name?
Yeah. West Philadelphia, born and raised. Alright.
Yeah,
yes, sir. Bestie.
Yes. Hi.
Who are you?
Bro, we went over this.
Yo, what?
What's up? Look at her standing.
You gotta stand up to say hi, yo. Who are you? What is your name?
State your name and occupation. You can't be damn nervous now.
Occupation?
What do you do?
I'm a
what's
baby
your
mother.
name?
My name's
Bro,
Julie.
You're a baby. What? I'm scared. Alright, this nigga got the brim to the back too. You thought you was yo. Alright, okay.
Bro, look, bro, now my head going.
You guys, your head went through the.
Hey,
All my Israelites in here, all melanin. I fuck with it.
This nigga stepping on my Yeezys.
You're not a shooter, bro. Put the
Yes, I am. Leave me alone.
big ass jumbo ass.
First of all, these long games.
Where's the big show? Feet ass girl.
He's long as a bitch, bro. I ain't even
No,
lying.
Bro, your finisher, the super kick.
Damn, them shit stretch out in the back.
no.
She said, Monster Taylor's.
Wait, I got 2 eyebrows for real.
I can't even see him, to be honest. Wait, yeah,
Move your camera.
Oh yeah, you doing the rock.
Yeah, my nigga.
Bro, I swear, he just did that. Am I tripping?
Oh shit!
Jesus.
that nigga Jamaican accent just hit.
Jesus Christ.
Damn.
Eventually.
No.
What? Nah, you good.
Cause like I got my arm behind you.
You're making it gay. You're making it gay. I got my arm around you.
We brothers, nigga.
I got my arm around you.
So bum
It's cause like I know my dad be doing this shit. I be feeling uncomfortable in the motherfuckers.
Oh,
I know what it is, but old heads be doing that shit.
I do that shit too.
You matter to me when you recording, bro.
I've been recording for like the past 20 minutes.
Action.
I heard, bro. Hey, what's bopping motherfuckers, man? This y'all nigga Breezy, man. Listen, alright. So you feel me? What we doing today, bro?
Today we about to play. Yo. Yo, bro. I got the worst luck in the planet, bro. I got the worst luck ever. Ever.
Bro, who was that?
Nah.
Who that was that, bro?
Yo, nah, I got the worst luck. That's crazy, bro.
Nigga, the man talking about you wasting all the food, man.
Nah, you ain't
the food.
Bro, I can't, bro.
Alright, come on, bro.
God,
nah, wait. It's the coast not clear. The coast is not clear. Hold on. Nah.
Bro.
The coast is not clear.
The next day.
That nigga Gino girl gonna be coming anytime soon.
Oh, word, right?
Nah, he said later this night. It's not really nighttime. Right?
Oh, it's like,
it depends, nigga. Isn't it like 7 o'clock over there?
yeah. About to be
7:42.
Yo, I
It's
kid
7:42.
Boy!
I kid you not, it's 4:42 here.
Yeah.
Damn,
So
yeah,
it's
it's midday.
So it's 3 hours back.
I'm saying, nigga, it's still daytime like a motherfucker. And it's hot.
Yo, where's my son?
Where's my super soup?
Take
Take that, bitch. Nigga, that's a man. That is a man.
Whoa, that's
man, you got a little man on your chest? That's crazy.
That's a baby.
That's
What are
a
you talking
fucking
about?
man. That is a grown man.
that's
That
life.
is Esteban. What are you talking about?
That's
Look at that
John.
nigga knuckles. That nigga gonna sock the shit on me.
He
Nah,
just
he
chubby.
do
What
got-
are you talking about?
Nah, he got NBA YoungBoy hands. Like, look at that
I'm
shit.
saying.
Why you got
Man.
bad
veins.
dents
I
in
don't
there?
got veins and nothing on my hands. Look, that nigga is a man. Yeah, who you think could see Eminem in the rap battle, bro? I'm sorry, I can't see
Eminem.
nobody fuck with bro.
Bro,
Yes.
Eminem. Yo, okay, all right, I'm glad you asked that. Bro, he's not that nice, bro.
What?
Eminem is not that nice, bro.
Stupid! Anyway,
Stop, bro.
He's nice, but he's not like untouchable, bro. He's not untouchable.
Okay, who gonna see him in a rap battle? I'm pretty sure, cause it's not gonna be what's that one nigga with the contacts? It's not gonna be Hobson.
Hobson, you tripping, boy?
What?
Hobson can't see him one, bro.
I swear to God, you tripping. I swear to God.
Hobson not gonna see him. Hobson not gonna see him in a rap. Eminem's a rap battle.
Okay, that's cool and all, bro.
That's how he do football, bro.
And what is Hobson? Hobson blew up for disrespecting niggas.
Yeah.
Disrespecting niggas, bro.
He did disrespect niggas, but in a rap battle, you think you gonna see him?
Yeah.
He gonna disrespect him in a rap battle too on some more.
It's gonna be a good battle though. I'll say that.
It would. I'm telling you, I'll give it real. I'll be real. He'll give him for his money, but him gonna tear him up, bro. Real shit.
I feel like just cause niggas be hyping them up though, I ain't gonna front.
Eminem
could say anything and anybody gonna think it's fire just because it's Eminem, like. But
spit a fat verse.
But so you think Hobson gonna beat him in a rap battle though? Come on.
Why?
Watch him.
Wait, how many out of 3 rounds? Out of 3 rounds?
Yeah, we did 3 rounds straight. Yeah.
Hobson can do 2 rounds against Eminem.
Hobson could do 2 rounds.
Eminem he started rap battling, bro. That's how he blew up.
It's cool to know, bro.
Wait, we talking about Eminem Prime or Eminem right now?
Eminem Prime.
Eminem Prime and Hobson Prime.
Two
different things. What? Listen, you don't know. I want to talk about no Hobson Prime, bro.
Bro. Well, nigga, this nigga Hobson blew up 10 years ago. This nigga been doing this before him, bro. He gon' beat this nigga ass, nigga.
That's cool to know, but how did he get up there though? Who did he just get up?
Hobson was speaking facts, nigga.
He was
talking about life. And he was talking about life. But he not finna, bro. He not finna see him. Him is finna demolish this nigga, bro. Right, baby? Crazy. All right.
Fuck up, bro.
One of my greatest thing though. Yeah. No one girl can satisfy me. Me need more fuel for the lime green. I'm smoking on lava and pine tree.
The most they can never deny me. And I need to know all that you need me for. You're the one that I want in the